Hi, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to custom screenshot button in Redmi Note 9 Pro. First, you can go to settings and then choose additional settings in here. Then you can choose button shortcuts. Please click button shortcuts. And you can see there is take a screenshot for button shortcut in here. In here, I'm using long press the home screen, and this is I think is the best for screenshot. And voila, if you can see there, I will try open Opera Mini. And for example, if we want to take screenshot, we just to long press the home button like this. Voila, that is my screenshot. That's all tutorial how to custom screenshot button in Redmi Note 9 Pro. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.